Maybe we should talk about why we do this multiplication to figure out these weighted means. Um, when we find an average, right? Let's see here. I will get a pen going here. So when we find an average, you find the sum of all the items or all the measures, and we divide it by the number of items we have. Well, if I and that's equal to the average, right? So if I know that the average weight, let's see, what is it for these people? It's if I know the average weight loss for all the people that are extremely obese that exercise, the average was 24 pounds and there were 5 people. I don't know how much combined weight they lost. I mean, I don't know what the sum of all their weights are, right? So what you can do is you can say, okay, let's call that's, I won't go variables. I'll call that's the sum of all the weight lost. Loss, not loss. Over 5 individuals equals what is it now? 24 pounds. I need more coffee. Yeah, 24 pounds. So it equals 24 pounds. So if I wanted to find what all the weight loss was, I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 5. I know algebra. So, so the sum, I'll abbreviate that, equals whatever 24 times 5 is. I think it's 120 pounds. So now if I can do that same thing with all the people that were moderately obese, I won't scroll back up. They lost 12 pounds. Oh no, sorry, they lost 17 pounds and there are 45 people. So for that situation, I don't know their sum, but I know there are 45 people and that average was 17. So if I multiply both sides of this equation by 45 to solve the sum, that was equal to, let's see, I didn't write down the individual sum. So let's see, 17 times 45 is 765. So all those moderately obese people, all together, they lost 765 pounds. Now, if I want to find the average of across all of those, across the whole category, what I'm going to do is remember, we're at the sum of all the weight loss. So we're going to take the 120 pounds plus the 765 pounds. And there's 50 people here. You got that? You understood that. There was 45 in this group and 5 in that group. So we'll divide that by 45. And that's how I came up with the 17.7 pounds. Okay, and that's all a weighted mean is. You can take in if you know the averages, you can go back and find the totals and then add those together and divide by the total. That's what you do when you do a GPA, right? You take your grade, the grade you got times the number of credits. So the number of credits is like people. The grade you got is like the sum of all the points. And well, then you add all those up, I guess. Maybe that's a bad analogy, but it's the same math. Okay. I hope this helps. I hope that you understand what's going on with this. It's a nice tool. This is something you'll use for the rest of your life. Maybe you won't use it every day, but you'll certainly have to deal with weighted means. Okay. Give a yell if you still need more help.